Welcome to my channel Kitchen Mania by Preeti. So today I'm making a very interesting and refreshing recipe with curry, which is raw mango, and pudina, that's mint. Combination itself sounds so interesting, isn't it? So let's get started by using these ingredients and grilling the potatoes on tawa. You can have or serve this as an absolutely refreshing snack munch or a side dish. Let's get started.
तो यहाँ पर हम बना रहे हैं एक वंडरफुल सा स्नैक या फिर स्टार्टर या फिर साइड डिश ऑप्शन, पुदीना आलू। तो इधर पे मैंने लिए हैं 3 मीडियम साइज के आलू, एक फुल बोल ऑफ पुदीना, कच्चा आम जो थोड़ा सा कच्चा पक्का सा हो गया है तो इट इज़ क्वाइट खट्टा मीठा, half a bowl of rice flour, half a bowl of curd, grated ginger and salt, Kashmiri red chili, and some kebab masala. If you don't have that, you can use even pav bhaji masala to give that flavor to it. Bas, these are the ingredients, and we'll take some ghee for roasting, and we'll also give it a smoky flavor. So we'll peel off the potatoes and we'll wash the slices 2-3 times to remove the extra starch of it. We'll cut the slices to medium thickness. Handful of mint leaves, we'll wash it and we will churn it. I've already grated the mango, which is sweet and sour. It's like half ripe, you can say. And the ginger is already grated. So let's get started. You can see I have cut the potatoes into these sizes and this thickness. It's not very thick, it's not very thin, and I have washed it 2 to 3 times, and now we are going to partially boil it, which means we are going to half cook it. तो यहाँ पर हम इसमें बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा 1 या 2 पिंच सॉल्ट डाल देते हैं जिससे कुकिंग हमारी इजी हो जाए. Till the time this is cooking under the lid for 5 to 6 minutes, we just have to cook it partially. We don't have to cook it more than that because we are ultimately going to grill it on tawa after giving it a smoky flavor. So the 5 minutes are over here and we'll unlid and check if the potatoes are cooked. They look partially transparent, so it's half done. You can also do a cook check through a toothpick or a knife. So it has cooked to the desired level which we want it to be. We'll turn off the flame, drain this water and put cold water over this. All that you need here is a board, and place some napkins over here or a kitchen towel. You have to place the potato slices here, wipe off the extra water. After wiping off the extra water, it will be like this. Repeat the same for all the other potato slices. Now that we have dried up all the potatoes, we've just towel dried all the potatoes. We have to poke these with the help of fork so that the marination gets properly infused into the potatoes. So just poke all these one by one. So I've just poked it with the help of fork so that the marination, the spices gets properly infused into this. We'll put the marination spices here. Let's put the crushed pudina. It'll give a very nice flavor of mint as well as the grated mangoes which are taken here. So the mangoes are partially ripe, so it will give a very sweet, sour, tangy taste. Let's mix the pudina and mango well first. The combination is always awesome. Mango and pudina. Really, it gives such a refreshing flavor and taste to any dish. Now let's add upon some grated ginger to it. This will give a little tang again. So overall it will give a sweet, tangy, sour taste with a smoky flavor which we are going to add upon. Now for the binding, we need to add some curd, some 2 spoons of mustard oil. You can use any oil if you are not very keen in using the mustard oil. I'm taking here some kebab masala. If you don't have, you can use simply pav bhaji masala or any other masala to give it a flavor. Some Kashmiri red chili powder and salt according to your taste. I've taken here 1/4 bowl of rice powder, rice flour, which you can add. It will give a good coating over the potatoes. Mix everything cautiously. So that it gets properly coated over the potatoes. You have to use light hands so that the potatoes don't get broken. So you can see a very good coating is there now on all the potatoes. We have to leave this marination rest for at least 20 minutes of time, and then we will smoke it and then grill it on the tawa. A wonderful aroma of mint and mango is coming already, which is really refreshing in summers. So let's just cover under the lid and leave it for 20 minutes.
After 20 minutes, just heat the barbecue coal over the flame.
तो इस तरह से हमारा जो कोल है हम इसे डालेंगे अपने कंटेनर में, और अब हम इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा ऑयल पोर करके, ऑयल या घी जो भी आपको ठीक लगे, हम इसे पोर करेंगे.
So I've taken oil here, but preferably you can take ghee or butter. Just pour it and cover under the lid and cover it for 5 minutes for the smoke to get infused in the marinated blend. So 5 minutes are over. Let's unlid it. And what a wonderful aroma of mint, raw mango and the smoky effect. Absolutely amazing. What an interesting recipe. Just remove this vessel. So on a preheated tawa here, I have brushed upon some butter. You can take ghee or oil as well. Let's brush it well and start placing the marinated potatoes one by one. You can see it's very well coated with the marination which we've put of mint, mango, and the coating has come quite well with the help of curd and rice flour. Place all that's possible in one go and just press a little.
अभी इसके आसपास थोड़ा सा और हम घी डाल देते हैं, इससे ये चिपके ना. फिर हम इसे थोड़ी देर के बाद फ्लिप करेंगे, एटलीस्ट 2-3 मिनट के बाद. इसे हम मीडियम फ्लेम पर ही कुक करेंगे. काफ़ी जल्दी कुक हो जाएगा बिकॉज़ आपने इसे ऑलरेडी हाफ बॉईल किया हुआ था, तो इसे फ्लिप करके देखते रहें. एक साइड से थोड़ा थोड़ा हो गया है तो फ्लिप कर दें, दूसरे साइड से कुक करें। फ्लेम पर आप इसे अलट पलट कर देख सकते हैं, कुक चेक करके देख सकते हैं पक गया है। और आपको लगता है कि ये पक गया है तो इसे पलट लीजिए, थोड़ा सा क्रिस्पी और ब्राउन कर लीजिए।
So this is done, it's crunchy. We'll just shift it to the other plate and prepare for the next batch the same way.
तो इस तरह से हमने यहाँ दूसरी बार भी ये डाल दिया है और हम जो है इसमें थोड़ा थोड़ा सा घी ऊपर से स्प्रिंकल कर देंगे।
Just press it a little, it'll help in crunching it more. And that's it, we are done.
You can see these are done quite well. It's perfectly cooked as well as crunchy. So we'll just turn off the flame and prepare for plating.
So it's all set for plating. Just start placing one by one over the board. You can see the crisp, the crunch, the texture, absolutely delicious. Just start placing one by one and see the coating which has come quite well over it. Absolutely mouth-watering. Just place all the potatoes one by one to the platter. And we will be serving it with peanut chutney and onions. So to beautify it a little more, I have garnished it with crumbled paneer and also with some hand broken or chopped coriander leaves. Extremely scrumptious Kari Pudina aloo, which is roasted on tawa, is ready with a smoky touch. And trust me guys, it's really yummy as a snack-on option or as a side dish or just like a finger food to the toddlers. If you've liked my recipe and my video, please hit like, subscribe and share. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and for detailed recipe please check the description box. Thank you.